Hello students, welcome again our online classes. Today I am telling you the short summary of the poem The Twin. In this poem written by the Henry Samuel Lee, and this poem the poet tells about the difficulties, problems faced by the identical twins in a funny way. In this poem the poet tells about they are the alike there in appearance, they are the same living behaviors and being alike a man interesting for other for their speaker. It was not a comfortable things all the time. They are both are misunderstanding by the people, and all the relatives were confused about the deciding who is the speaker and who is another. And this confusion just lead the throughout the life, and that this was the height of their confusions and likeness. The matter becomes worse when they are naming ceremony was there. And nurse mixed with the both and maybe our luck. The poet tells about the likeness good of them and schools, and the poet got punishment and his brother naughtiness and foolishness. And after all these things, the poet was restless and asking and exhausted. And being twins are looking alike criticals, and where the poet says that the bride got married and got married to his brothers, and it would be a happen with the twins in the real life. And because the people may be confused and had not immature all the, and the brothers are and sisters would be all things alike and throughout the life, and the so many problems and so many difficulties they come out in their life. Thank you. Sixth chapter is The Twin. This poem was written by Henry Samuel Lee. In this poem, the poet tells about the twin and how the problems come their life, and so many problems and difficulties how they face in their whole life, the poet tells about. Let's open your book, the poem Twin. In the form and features, face and limb, I grew so like my brother that folks are talking me for him and each for one another. In puzzles, all are kith and kin, it reach an awful pitch, or one of us are born as twin, yet not sure ni which. In the first stanza, the poet tells about they are alike the same, they are same appearance, and they are listening same, their features same. But misunderstanding are mentioned by the people, and the relatives are always confused whose childs are the first one and the second one. And the speaker tells about the another confusion to be continued. In the first, their appearance same, their looking same, and both are twins and yet not shown no kin, kith and kin. ये दोनों बच्चे देखने में सेम थे, लुक में सेम थे, और पैदा होने के बाद उनके रिलेटिव्स को भी प्रॉब्लम हो रही थी कि उसको पहचाने कैसे. In the second stanza, the one day no take matter words and before the names is fixed. In the second stanza, the poet said कि इन दोनों का अब नाम फिक्स हो जाता है. They are both names similar types of name mentioned by their fathers and mother. And as they were being watched by nurse, we go to completely mix. When the nurse was come in the hospital, they were mixing their first time first baby they will be bathing, and second time they were again their bathing. पहली बार उसको नहलाते हैं साबुन से धुलाकर पहले बच्चे को, फिर से दूसरी बार फिर से उसी बच्चे को नहला देते हैं. दैट्स मीन सो मेनी कंफ्यूजन, इतना एक सिमिलर की तरह थे कि वो जब भी जो भी काम करते थे एक ही बार को बार बार कर दे रहे थे. एंड दिस फैक्टर लाइकनेस एंड डॉग्स एंड फुटस्टेप्स व्हेन एट स्कूल्स. इसी तरह सिमिलरिटी जब थर्ड स्टैंजा में द पोएट टेल्स अबाउट कि इसी तरह की सिमिलरिटी होती है जब वो बच्चे स्कूल जाते हैं. सो मेनी स्टूडेंट्स, एक बच्चा नोटोरियस रहता है, तो सेकेंड थिंग जो बच्चा शांत है तो वो बार बार क्या अपनी टीचर से क्या हो जाता है कि उसको डांट पड़ जाती है. एंड आवर क्लोज रिसेम्बलेंस टर्न द टाइड ऑफ डोमेस्टिक लाइफ. इन द लास्ट पैराग्राफ द पोएट टेल्स कि इन द एंड ऑफ द लाइफ, जब दोनों की शादी होती है, दे आर एट द स्कूल से निकलकर जब ये शादी होती है, तब दोनों की लाइफ में भी और प्रॉब्लम आती है, क्योंकि जब मैरिड हो जाती है तो शादी उनकी वाइफ की जगह उनकी भाई की वाइफ से हो जाती है, एंड इस तरह होल लाइफ तक चलते रहती है. Assured a mistake when I am died, the neighbors come and buried brother John. In the last line is very fantastic in this poem कि ऑथर कह रहे हैं कि उनकी डेथ होती है और आसपास के जो पड़ोसी रहते हैं उनकी मृत्यु की जगह उनके भाई को आकर बरेड करके चले जाती हैं. It's an awesome and fantastic poem. Tells about our poet Sam and last line they were showing कि so many difficulties and problems they face their whole life. Thank you.